بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Peace be with you. This is Asmar Batul from British Institute YouTube channel. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Coddle. Word forms, third person singular present tense coddles, present participle coddling, past tense, past participle coddled.
To cook something, ESP eggs, in water just below the boiling point.
Coddled the eggs for the Caesar salad. Braise. Word forms, third person singular present tense braises, present participle braising, past tense, past participle braised.
When you braise meat or a vegetable, you fry it quickly and then cook it slowly in a covered dish with a small amount of liquid.
Sanam Nawaz braised some beans to accompany a shoulder of lamb.
Sauté. Word forms, third person singular present tense sautés, present participle sautéing, past tense, past participle sautéed.
When you saute food, you fry it quickly in hot oil or butter. When you saute food, you fry it quickly in hot oil or butter.
Flambé. Word forms, flambéed or flambeing.
To pour alcohol over food and set fire to it during cooking.
Flambéed pears.
Scramble. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense scrambles, present participle scrambling, past tense, past participle scrambled.
If you scramble eggs, you break them, mix them together and then heat and stir the mixture in a pan.
Make the toast and scramble the eggs.
Dredge. Word forms, third person singular present tense dredges, present participle dredging, past tense, past participle dredged. To sprinkle or coat food with flour, sugar, etc.
Flambéed pears.
Leaven. Word forms, third person singular present tense leavens, present participle leavening, past tense, past participle leavened.
A substance, especially yeast, that is added to a mixture of flour and water so that it will swell and can be baked into bread.
This leaven was added the next time baking bread was done.
Blanch. Word forms, third person singular present tense blanches, present participle blanching, past tense, past participle blanched.
If you blanch vegetables, fruit, or nuts, you put them into boiling water for a short time, usually in order to remove their skins, or to prepare them for freezing. Skin the peaches by blanching them.
Simmer. Word forms, third person singular present tense simmers, present participle simmering, past tense, past participle simmered.
When you simmer food or when it simmers, you cook it by keeping it at boiling point or just below boiling point.
Turn the heat down so the sauce simmers gently.
Parboil. Word forms, third person singular present tense parboils, present participle parboiling, past tense, past participle parboiled. If you parboil food, especially vegetables, you boil it until it is partly cooked.
Roughly chop and parboil the potatoes.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.